Everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video I want to share my garden updates for the 2024 year. I want to share how did we start this year and how we made the garden beds ready for the plants and what are the plants we put it here. So let's start. These old garden beds are filled up with all the weeds and they are looking so dull. At the end of the month of March, we started our gardening with taking out all the weeds and we added the cow manure for these garden beds. I do not have much energy to start our gardening but started late at the end of the month. So just added this cow manure to all the garden beds and we just added the seeds for all the beds. After starting our gardening, we feel so refreshed and so much pleasure after doing the gardening. So I will tell one by one which garden bed has which plants, and mostly we added the seeds into the all the garden beds. And this is our other garden bed. It has a lot of different plants like tomato plants and chili plants and amarnadus and different kind of leafy vegetable plants are here. So beautiful, so greenery. In the same garden bed, these Junia plants are also blooming. These flowers are very beautiful. They come in different colors and it is perennial. And this is our curry leaf plant. The jasmine plant, we put them in a bigger pot. In the winter, it was not surviving, but it is slowly coming up. And the Junia plants also growing in the same pot. They are looking so beautiful. Is another garden bed that is mostly filled with greeny leaf vegetables like with amarnadus plant, and this bed also has this okra plants and also tomato plant and also some green chilies. This year we have planted this orange plant. This is the plant we purchased from older orange plant, and it did not give any flowers till now. This is the basil plant purchased from last year and it is coming back. My kids love to have the pesto pasta, so I grab from here. And this is another jasmine plant. This is a small curry leaf plant. I planted them in a small pot, so I want to grow it bigger. Trellis, we put the seeds of beans and bottle gourd and ridge gourd. I have the footage 2 weeks ago. I'll keep it here. Um, Within 2-3 weeks, they are growing so fast. These chickadee or beans or flowers are coming, and you can see the small chickadee is coming from this tree. And the other one is a bottle gourd. It started blooming and it is giving the bottle gourd already. Within 3 days, the size is growing. From last 2 years, we do not have the bottle gourd for in my garden. I am so happy for that. And this is the grapes plant. We put it here. Last year we planted here. This year it is growing nicely and a bunches of grapes are coming. I am so grateful to see the grapes. We started our gardening. We just put some seeds in this garden bed. So they are very small of this tomato plant and gongura plant. And in the other garden bed, we can see the orange plant. Now at this point of time, all the tree plants were growing like these different plants of tomatoes, chilies, and beans and amarnadus, and a lot of varieties are growing up. You can see the tomatoes here. And this orange plant is covered by this pumpkin plant. It is growing so fast. Here also we planted the seeds. You can see the bitter gourds. This trellis we have the plants of the cucumber, ridge gourd, bitter gourd. They are just reaching out the trellis. This is how my garden is doing in the month of June. I am so happy with the yield and the plants growing. Thank you for watching. I will see you in another video.